Since 1991, BEFOR has been designing and marketing complete packaging solutions geared to the specific needs of traditional shops, supermarkets, and communities. To provide a complete solution, BEFOR also offers consumables associated with its machines: trays, film, vacuum bags. Manual tray sealers. Semi-automatic tray sealers. Vacuum, gas, and skin pack sealers. Vacuum machines, paper sealers, sachet sealers, cling film dispensers, shrink fit film machines. BEFOR offers a very wide range of trays, films, vacuum consumables to cover all your needs in a wide variety of sizes, formats, and materials. BEFOR's engineering department designs new machines and adapts existing models to your specific needs. It creates your bespoke tooling to suit the types and shapes of tray used. To control production in its entirety, BEFOR has its own integrated sheet metal workshop with laser cutting and CNC punching, plus bending and welding. The machining workshop makes all its specific parts. The assembly workshop assembles the machines and tests their functionalities. Films, bags, and tubes are cut to standard or specific dimensions and can be printed with your image or your brand. Thanks to our efficient logistics, we can dispatch your order within 24 hours. BEFOR, your partner for all your food packaging needs.